folks. B1550 Kubota. We're gonna be pulling this pile of shit John Deere flipping combine out of the way here. Had a storm come in, ripped off the fucking plastic off top. All right, here we go. It's a 5-steer, folks. So what we're doing is we're wrapping the chain around the steering shaft down there. Hydraulic ram. Hopefully it'll bend it. All right, she's coming online. Full throttle. Here we go. You got it. Yep, it's a neutral. It'll go. It'll pull it. Put her in full drive. All-wheel drive. All right, we're gonna try to jump start this, folks. Look at that. It'll go. Yep, it's going. It'll go. Hey, yank it a little bit. It'll go. You gotta go. There. Now run it. Hit it hard. There we go. Look, we got all the monkeys on there now. Oh, hit it hard. It's fucked up, folks. I don't know if old Pedro's gonna fucking make it here.
You're lifting the front end up.
Right? Sit on the fucking hood. Sit on the hood. Yep. Oh yeah, we got her full drive. Go ahead and start it up. There you go. Put a diff lock on. There you go. I told you, hey, you gotta yank it with that on, it'll go. RTV would have pulled it. He needs to give a little bit of yank. It's rolling it. It's gonna go. I know. He needs to get over.
Well, yeah, you're on slickies now. Oh yeah, you got fucking turf tires, didn't you? Lock the locker. We did.
All right, Craig, you need to get on there and hit it hard.
Turn it so that tire's in.
Craig, get on and hit it hard. We were scared for some god reason. There you go. There you go. Fucking hammer it. Hammer that front end. There you go. There you go. Hammer it. Oh, fuck yeah. Dude, look at that. Dry shaft and all, folks. Look at that. He's hammering it. We got a ranch hand. He's pushing. I don't know why. We're at the ranch hand, folks. Something's going to happen. It's happening. Live at the ranch, folks, with the B1550. There she goes. Hell yeah, take it home, take it home. There you go. Oh, hell yeah. Hit it hard.
Need some ass, need some weight. Poor tractor. You got the push, you got no tractor.
Hell yeah.
Ranch Productions all day, folks. With kickstand. Kickstand videos.
Shit.
That's a good way to tear shit up.
Alright, folks. This shit's gonna really happen here, folks. We got the new idea cutter. It's ready to go. We're gonna try right in here, some of our test plot. We're gonna see how it works, folks. If you get stuck or something. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Alright folks, they've been drunk all day working on this. Back her up, yep, we can back her up. We're gonna do the old test fly here folks. This is where it makes it or breaks it, because they have roughly 300 acres of hay to do. See what happens here. We got about 1.5 to 2 inches of rain today. Got another inch coming on the way, folks. So what's gonna happen here? It's gonna put the old scuttle ball down. See what happens. How far is he coming back? Oh yeah. Yeah, right there. He's a farm boss. He's a farm manager. I noticed, folks. Here's what we got here, folks. She only has 1,700 hours on her. Ooh, got it wet. Nice unit. I drove through it, they complain. I'm like, that happens in April, people drive through it. Complain.
Oh, bunch of whiners out here. They haven't had enough beer yet.
Yeah, they're drunk.
A lot.
Yeah. Alright folks, here comes the arm is coming down. It's making penetration. Alright folks, what happened?
Pull up.
Alright folks, so what he's got here, this thing's running on a hydro tilt pump, and right now we got it set up in cantilever mode. They have it in cantilever mode. And this is what we do, we walk right behind the unit. Alright folks, there she comes alive. Zipper bar is running good. He's running. There he goes. Wow, it's cutting good. This is what we do, folks. We walk behind all of our implements. This is how we do everything, folks. We walk behind everything. We follow with small compact tractors and get around vehicles. This is what we do in the hay fields too. We ride right behind it. It's laying this down. We're gonna bale this tomorrow morning. Jeff is working good. Damn, I'd start mowing with it. Shuts her down, folks. The cloud. Oh yeah. Alright folks, so what happens here is when we're in the field, you have to get out And then we always have a guy follow behind our implement to back up. All right, now he's gonna back up, gonna take another stab. Oh, he ran out of fuel, folks. I shit my pants, it smells like fucking human feces. Whoa, niggas on big wheels.
Before that, the whole axle was like this on that.
No way. That's a kubota. These fuckers last forever, folks. We're running good. I don't clean the screen off. I always keep it in the red. I like when the temps are in the red. And then I got the fuel here cleaned up. Trying to keep her going good. Here we go, folks.